In the middle of Johannesburg CBD, in broad daylight, routine enforcement operations suddenly turned into something far more chaotic than anyone expected. Officials moved in on a well-known butchery as part of a crackdown on compliance and undocumented labor. Within minutes, the situation reportedly spiraled. Workers ran. Panic spread through the building. And in one of the most startling moments captured on video, some of the individuals allegedly tried to disappear into the roof space, hiding above the very place they were working. But here's what makes this moment more than just another raid in the city. It's the question it raises about how many similar workplaces are operating in plain sight, and how often enforcement only arrives when everything is already in motion. Because if people are willing to climb into ceilings to avoid being seen, what does that say about what's happening inside these businesses when no cameras are rolling? Before we go deeper into the story, if you want more real-time investigations and breakdowns like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss what's happening behind the headlines.
No, but let's have the owner arrested. No, definitely.
We are at MTN Ring Butchery, and the workers here have run away.
Bambi Toshia. I'm talking.
So put here guessing there. I guess I'm giving attention. I've never in your entire usaqhubeka lo advertising business anata balibona Five of them. hayi bakwenzakala bazi
abanye azi sidalo nje impela basidalele nje futhi
ayazi laba iphi on uzovala isitolo obvious Bob. Let me see.
Baqinile.
Yeah.
Bakukhuluma khona manje.
Angene la. Sovala, khipha abanye. Khipha abanye.
At the top, inside.
We fish, cala umbambela lapho. Fish, umbambela ifoni lapho baveze la kwi live.
Basifihli
naba
balele la phakathi kwefridge phezulu kwefridge naba
lele
nangomunye ngapha
lekara
nangomunye ngapha
ethepho siyisondele lekara efuna ukunakha uyibheke siyisondele
nangomunye ufuna ukuphuma ngayo nange ngalo ufuna ukuphuma ngamabhushi layita ngapha naba
bamba lenye ifoni
naba labantu bazilalisa nabalele la bayi4 balele ngathi angazi impahla eziphakiwe kanti balele
and monge na tocha ngeke babona uyambona kawo
sepho namo ngapha nangomunye
hayi baba
ngalomunye akafuni ukuphuma uyaphuma
no seba bangenile amajita bayabakhipha
laba bayangena abafethu namo uyaphuma
number 1 out
phuma wena
uzani emadoda niyabona nani ngithi awugibele ngilandele ziyalo endaba edasti
uzobanjani namo
uyaphuma lo
hayi ngiyanebhutsi elimhlophe out wena phuma
phumile emadoda niyabona kwenzakalana yithi
hey wena phumani madoda
Exhale.
Phuma wosi. Phuma wena.